I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making tortilla pizza Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So the ingredients that we need for our tortilla pizza is half a red bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, half a small onion, 6 jalapeños, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and 5 black olives. We obviously need some fresh tortilla wraps. We also need some spices for the tomato paste, which we'll come to on later. Okay, the spices that we need is 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and a pinch of oregano. So we'll add that to our tomato paste. Then what we have here is half a Maggi cube added to 3 tablespoons of boiling water. So we'll add that to our tomato paste to make our lovely tomato sauce for our pizza. Now we need to mix it well. Now it's time to assemble the pizza. So first of all, we'll add the tomato sauce that we just made to our tortilla wrap. Then we'll add the cheese. I'm using mozzarella here.
I'm hungry.
Now it's time to add the toppings. You can add the toppings of your choice because it's your personal pizza. Now we'll add the pizza at the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 7 minutes. I'm using an air fryer here. Our easy pizza is ready. Time to cut and enjoy. Have fun making your pizzas and enjoy!
I'm hungry.